Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Vivo. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in DevCheck. Now you need to access this free app and install it. Following that, choose Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the info about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!